Hey, I'm Mark, and today's project we are repairing a sidewalk that had a root grown under it and it lifted it about 2 inches. You can see the root. We put a anchor bolt right in the little off center. Got a 6-inch pipe with 2 floor jacks on each side, a chain, and we just winched it up. Put a board under there, a block of wood under there for safety, and then we took out the roots and we're about to lower it down. Well, there's the finished product. I wish I'd have got a picture of it before we started. It was about 2 inches high there. And that's a little trick we do for being able to save a sidewalk as opposed to busting it out, re-pouring it with exposed aggregate. This was poured back in 1979, and trying to match the rocks from 1979 would be impossible. Well, we appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see y'all on the next video.